Guys, I want to show you a top 10 most dangerous dog in the world. Number 10, Parisa. Number 9, Estebanard. Number 8, Great Danny. Number 7, Chicho dog. Number 8, Doberman Pinscher. Number 9, Alexan Malchimur. Siberian Husky. Number 3, German Shepherd. Number 4, Rottweiler. Number 1, Pit Bull Terrier. Top 10 most dangerous breed in the world. Number 10, Akita. Number 9, Great Dane. Number 8, Chicho. Number 9, Doberman. Number 6, Alexan Malmuti. Number 5, Wolf Hybrid. Number 4, Husky. Number 3, German Shepherd. Number 2, Rottweiler. Number 1, American Pit Bull. I hope you'll like my video.